So, coffee. Time for coffee with Nat. I just want to sit down for a few minutes and talk about one of the uses I have found for AWS S3. I have several different mobile apps that I'm in development, and I want to be able to direct people to a single website that lets them have their device detected and then redirect them to the appropriate marketplace store. So that's a really good use case for a static website running just HTML and JavaScript to detect what operating system they're on and then redirect them based on if they're on an iPhone, an Android, or a Mac, or a PC. So to that end, I created a website, brightcards.app, for my flashcards mobile app. It detects, just like I said, whether or not they're on Android, an iOS phone, or PC or Mac. And if they're on Android or iOS, it directs them to the appropriate store. And if they're on a PC or a Mac, it directs them to the web version of the app. So they get nice, neat delivery to the right location. And this is all through an S3 bucket that I've got set up with CloudFront SSL certificates and actual domains hosted through AWS. That way, my costs are very, very minimal. I'm not delivering a lot of data over the wire from S3, and S3 is distributed globally, so they get a quick response from the system and they end up where I want them to go. So just a simple use case that I've found works well, and then I can just direct anyone that's interested to the domain brightcards.app and not have to worry about them finding and clicking through to the right location to get what they need. They just magically get delivered to where they need to go. So I'll give a quick demo of it here in just a second, but I've packaged it up. If you're interested in the basic redirect HTML JavaScript package, let me know in the comments or contact me directly and I'll be happy to help you get it working. So let's get a quick demonstration of what I'm talking about with a website hosted on S3 that sends visitors to the right location. I'm on my Android phone, so if I go to brightcards.app, it redirects me directly to the App Store where my app is available for install. I've already got it installed, so it's good to go. We'll enable it and open the app, and we'll search for CISSP study cards. Oop, I forgot to capitalize it. Shame on me. And there they are. So as easy as that, I can route users to the right place. The back end of this is all AWS DynamoDB, of course, making use of the infrastructure, but the initial website's just a simple S3 bucket that has CloudFront in front of it for domain and certificate access. And if you'd like me to help you get set up with it, or you're interested in my starter pack for a website set up that way, just let me know and I'll get it over to you. Thanks. See you in the next one.